In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you can't see microphone icon at the bottom left corner, that means that voice typing is disabled. But you can always enable it by clicking on this gear at the top of your keyboard and scrolling down to tap on voice input section over here. Now it's time to decide if you want to use Samsung or Google One. Let's start with Samsung. I need to click on it here. You can adjust all of those options if you want to, and go back to your keyboard. Now tap on visible microphone at the bottom left corner. And if you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and tap on the same microphone again. Then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. To stop, tap on the same, now blue microphone. If you want to try Google Voice Typing, you can set it up the same way as Samsung One. Go back and click on microphone icon also at the bottom left corner. Now start typing. As you can see, it's working properly. This time though, to stop typing, you can simply pause while speaking or use this button in the middle. To delete text on the go, tap on this one on the right. To access some voice typing options, click on this gear on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use this arrow at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!